Hey everybody, just a quick video. If you have one of these Roundup or any type of plastic sprayer and you can't get it to stop spraying, so on these little sprayers here, here's the handle. I took the handle off, but basically you have this little button here that sometimes gets built up with crud, and it won't bounce back, right? So it stays depressed. So basically what you do here is, I'm going to try to do this one-handed here. Let's see if we can do it. But that's just a twist. There's a spring inside. Sorry for the shaky video. You take this spring out like that, and you pop this assembly out. Pop the assembly out, take it all the way out, clean it. I like to use a little bit of silicone spray. You spray some silicone in it. Let's see if we could, I don't know if we could do this one-handed, but take your silicone spray, prop this up over here. Need to get a tripod or something. Spray some silicone in that hole. Now, this is a horrible video here. All right, so take that. A little silicone sprayed in there. That loosens things up. Use Windex, whatever you got. But use the silicone spray to coat it. And then what I like to do is I like to take a little bit of silicone lube. I got this from when I do brake jobs on the car and stuff. And you just put a little bit of silicone on this white plastic nub there, right? And that basically gives it a good amount of lubrication. Put everything back together, and voila, the spring actually does its job, and you're able to spray it, let go of the handle, it stops spraying, problem solved. So that's that. I had this problem for a while. I mean, I know these things are only like 10 or 15 bucks, but sometimes it's annoying. You just want to keep them going. So here's a way to keep this one going. Take care.